If you're looking for generic motivational quotes or get rich quick side hustles, you're in the wrong channel. But if you're an online business owner making $5,000 to $10,000 a month, and you're working 80 hours plus a week to keep it there, welcome. My name is Joshua Kim. I am an operations and mindset consultant. You are not stuck because you lack marketing tactics. You are stuck because your subconscious paradigm believes that hard work is the only way to make money. On this channel, I teach you how to completely demolish that paradigm and build the exact operational systems that will double your revenue and cut your hours in half. If you are ready to stop babysitting your business and start scaling it, hit subscribe. Let's get to work. Break the paradigm, make the decision, create your life.